Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to animate elements in Canva step by step. Whether you're creating social media posts, presentations, YouTube videos, marketing materials, or other creative designs, Canva's animation tools make it easy to bring your content to life. Let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. From the homepage, open an existing design or create a new one by selecting the template or custom size you want to use. Once your design is ready, add the element you want to animate. You can insert text, shapes, icons, stickers, photos, or graphics from the Elements panel, or use items you've already placed on your canvas. Next, click on the element you want to animate to select it. Then, click the Animate button in the toolbar at the top of the editor. A panel will appear with different animation styles. Browse through the available options such as fade, rise, pop, breathe, drift, pan, or other effects available in your Canva account. Click on an animation to preview it instantly. If the animation offers customization options, adjust settings like speed, intensity, direction, or timing to match the style of your design. Experiment with different effects until you're happy with the result. If your design contains multiple elements, repeat the same process for each one. You can combine different animations to create a more engaging and professional-looking design. To see how everything looks together, click the play or preview button. Watch the animation from start to finish and make any adjustments if needed. If you want to animate an entire page instead of individual elements, click on an empty area of the page and choose Animate again. Then select one of the page animation effects to animate the whole design. Once you're satisfied with your animations, click Share in the top right corner and select Download. Choose the appropriate file format, such as MP4 for videos or GIF for animated graphics. Adjust any export settings if necessary, and click Download. Your animated Canva design is now ready to share on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, your website, or anywhere else you want to showcase your content. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to animate elements in Canva. If this tutorial helped you, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.